So we are discussing about Firebase example, right? So in Firebase yesterday, what we did is we added the database. So here we added this. Now we supposed to run here now. So once this will run here in a Firebase console, whatever the project which we created, right there, that database data will whatever we are adding here, that data that will go there. So that we will check now how that will work here, right? Whatever code is already we done. Just we have to add from here to there, that we will check here. So this is the project. So in this is the real-time database. So which we created yesterday here. Just I'm opening that real-time database. So here, as of now, nothing data will be here. So just it is a null value here. But once we add that, so that automatically it will populate here, that we will see here. So it is launching. Once it is launched, we will see. Yeah. So it is launched here. Now here, now I'll enter, let us say, arena. So mobile number. Now I'm clicking this. Now we can come here and we can check here to see whatever we entered here, that is saved here. This. So like this, the database will work from there to here. And okay, so now in this, now we have set up notifications, right? So yesterday we set up the notification so that token is generating, right? So from the token, now I want to send a notification. So if you want to send a notification here, so here, just I'm coming into this messaging here. So that messaging is available here in a runtime. So from here now, just I'm clicking the create here. So Firebase notification. So create. Now from here, I'm writing here, hello, Reena, how are you? So just I'm adding here, like, how are you? Then I'm coming down here, scroll this. So yeah, this is the package name, right? So from here, this is the next. So now we are not checking directly. I'm clicking on this. So publish. See, once we publish here now, here that we review and publish. Now here we supposed to get that notification. So here it is not getting here. So will there's a status here? Okay. So otherwise what we will do here is whatever the token which is generating, so that we will add into some where we will print that. So that token, by the token we will send a notification, right? So this is the where the token ID. Here we are getting this token ID, right? So here now log dot I. So I'm printing that. So here that I'm registering the token. Then so whatever we are getting above that token, I want to print this token here. So this is the log. So that here that data will be print here. So in a console with that token, we can send to specific mobile number. So I'm rerunning this application now. So once it is run here in a logcat, so we will get this data token ID. So whatever the key we've written, so that key here we will get the token that we will search here now. Yeah, it is launching. So token is generated here. Now in a console, so session ID. So this is the token which is generated here. So now I'm copying this entire token so that with this token, we can send a notification through console for testing purpose. So till this is the token. Now copy this, go to here. Now new campaign, notification. So from here now, hello, Rina, how are you? Just like typing. So send notification. Now here we will paste that token, right? Oh, yeah. Now you can wait. So for this device, I'm sending a notification. Right here, we're supposed to get notification. Okay. So this is the way we will send notification, but sometimes it may get a little bit late. So that is okay. That in this way, we will get send a notification to this user. Right. So next year now, I want to test my application. So if I want to test this application, so how can I test this application? So if I can test this application with a simple process, so that is the using this simple process that we will test. Just a minute. I think we copied the wrong ID. So I think this is the one token exactly that is not. So we will test with this token. 1 second. So now I'm sending the notification. Okay, still we are not getting that. Okay, no problem. That we will see here. So now I want to test the application. So how can I test the application? To test the application here now. So here I'm building the app that is a generate APK. So just I'm generating from here now build generate APK. Just I'm clicking that APK. So with that APK now we are going to test this now. That APK we will upload into store and we will test from there. Now it will take 1 to 2 minutes to build this. Yeah, it is done. So now where is this? This we have to open here. So this is the APK. Now this APK I want to test it. So test here now. I'll go with this here in Testlab. So run. So there is option called Testlab. So I open the Testlab. So from here now, this is whatever the APK which we generated, right? So that we will copy and paste here. So drag and drop there. So that it will start testing that. It will take 1 to 2 minutes. We will see that what is the status, how this will be tested here. We will check here. So it will take a little bit time. So once this process is done, we can able to see here how the testing has done, what are the steps that we can see here. Just still it is just will refresh and we'll check once that process has completed or still it is waiting. Just still it is in progress. Once it is completed, here we'll get to know that. Then we can check. Even though if that testing will be completed here in a real-time database, whatever the data we added, right, the data will be replaced with something else. See, because there also the testing will be done on this database only, right? So here, previously just I entered Rina and some random mobile number. Now what is the data here? We will see here. See, they are testing, that's why that data has came different. Right. So till it is complete, we will see that. Yeah. So it is completed. Now we can go inside that. We can able to see the full details here. So now total 1 minute, 2 seconds it has testing has done. So this is a screenshot. Here the token has generated here. See that next year logs. So what are the logs as generated? So that all the logs will be here. So these all are the logs. All the logs will be here. Then screenshots. So what are the screenshots it took? So this is a screenshot. Then video. How this is tested. Here we can able to see the video as well. Select, we will play this. So this is total 1 minute 10 seconds, right? So that we will see here now. So they entered that data and submitted that. So this is the way it will test. So here we can check this performance level also. So this is the way it is performed this. Then accessibility. So this is 2 1 So this is about the Firebase. So with this, we have done with the Firebase. So then we will go through different topic, like that is a different topic that freshly we will start tomorrow. Because 7:30 I have a meeting. So if I start that also now we cannot finish. So we'll start that tomorrow.
Okay, sir.